Brand new work from home jobs completely remote. If you want to find a work from home job, then this is going to be a great video because I'm going to show you a bunch of work from home jobs and a platform where you can find a lot of work from home jobs over the next couple of months. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the platform. Now you can click on find a job right there and you'll instantly see a lot of different jobs. So they start off with programming jobs. So in case you're good at programming, you can already find some pretty cool work from home jobs on here. So this one is USA only, but then right there you can already see 100% remote. So a couple of them are USA only, but most of them are indeed remote. If you scroll down even further, you'll see, let's see, where is it? Right here, all other remote jobs. You want to click on that, which will then send you over to this page and it will filter on work from home remote jobs only. So this one, for example, is posted today on 100% remote. And let's say that you're interested in one of these jobs. So pretty much scroll through and find a job that you're good at, that you want to do. What you then do, and by the way, you can see they've got over 15,000 remote jobs posted, which is great. So if you go back to a job, you click on it, then it will send you over to that page, and then it will pretty much give you some info about what's needed and what they're looking for. So who are we looking for? As a data storyteller, you will have 2 to 5 years working experience and all of this. So you basically want to find a job that you fit. So these guys are looking for a lot of, these guys do have a lot of requirements, but some of them don't. So you just want to browse through. It depends on who you are as a person as well. I'm not sure who's watching this, as you guys can understand, but on here you can find legit and real work from home remote jobs. So yeah, this platform is called We Work Remotely. I'll just go back to the home page. So it's We Work Remotely. It's a great platform, and yeah, that's pretty much where you can find a lot of helpful work from home jobs completely remote. Now if you want to find more platforms like this, I'm actually making a series right now with tons and tons of platforms, so you can click on the playlist and you'll find a lot of platforms with work from home jobs. I'll leave that up on the screen right now, so you can check that out. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.